Have you been eyeballing this Blade Made and wondering if it really works? Is it going to be worth the cashola you're dishing out for it? Well, I'm about to show you every single thing you could possibly want to know about this. If you love cleaning videos, then you are going to love this because we are about to clean the dirtiest fan blades you have ever seen. Now, this is a no judgment zone because maybe your fan blades are as gross as mine. My fan blades are so dirty because I was saving them to use on this. That's why I never cleaned them. I'm kidding. The reason I never clean them is because this is a vacant room that I just started using recently. And that really is the truth, but you don't have to believe me because I'm just an internet stranger and maybe you think I'm gross, but maybe your fans look like this too. Shall we get into it? First of all, what you're going to get in the package is a couple of sticks and then this thing. And you're also going to get one of these. Let me show you how this works. Oh, just hang on. I'm going to get to the cleaning. If that's what you want to see, just give me just a second. First of all, this is a nice, really comfortable, padded holding stick. And then these can be adjusted. This is as long as it goes though. And you'll see in the video that it's plenty long enough. I'm 5 feet tall. My ceiling is a normal size ceiling, I assume. I would, 7 or 8, 9 feet. I have no idea how tall ceilings are. Just normal, nothing too tall or too short, just normal. And this, with my 5 feet and my hobbit arms, I was able to reach these with absolutely no problem. In just a minute, I'm going to get to a con though. These can be adjusted. You can't go bigger, but I guess if you have really long arms, you could go smaller. I don't know why you'd want to. I can't think of a use case where you'd want them smaller. Maybe for storage, but that is an option. Oh yeah, you see that dust in there? We're going to get to it just a second. This one is not adjustable at all, but it is rather a long. Now, it is my understanding though that you can take this handle off. My understanding is wrong. If you like cleaning videos, give me a like. And that is the only way it's adjustable is by opening and closing these and making it shorter or longer. For right now, we're going to make it shorter. Now, then it comes with this. This is 2 pieces, and these can be taken out and washed, which you would hope because it's going to get gross if you've got. Inside of there, what did fall out? I'm not sure. Oh, I see it. It's got these little rubbery gaskets, and I think that is to keep the cleaner right in the middle of the fan. And I think I knocked mine out because you're only supposed to go one way. You're going to see in my video that I went both ways just so I could show you which way is better. This is the inside of it. These are meant to be removed so that you can wash these little things right here. And they come out like this. And they're Velcro. 2 of these, one for each side. And you can buy replacements of these and they wash up just fine. And then after you've washed them and dried them, you put them back on there. Now, the grippies are all different shapes and sizes. These are little short stubby ones. These are fatter ones. We've got shorter here, longer in the middle. And that's so that you get all the aspects of the blades. And then the same for this one. See how the outside is much shorter and then the inside is all nice and fat? And then after you put the clean one back on, you snap it into place. Easy peasy to assemble. Takes literal seconds, nothing hard about it. You want to slide that over to lock it into place. Now, on the side that you'll be looking at when you're cleaning your blades, because you're going to be looking up, it tells you which direction to go. It tells you to take this and put it over the blade going that direction. And for test purposes, I did it both ways just to see what would happen. It sticks a little bit when you go the wrong way. It's got this little gasket here and here. And when you go the wrong way, it starts catching on that. And then it causes it to fall out. So your use is not going to be as good if you go the wrong way. So I found that it is best to just follow the instructions. And it's easy when you do that. I'm holding this straight up and down. And you can see that it's slanted. When you're putting this in your blades, you want it to be straight across your blade. Your blade is going in here, straight across. You're holding this at an angle. And I'm fixing to tell you that con. It glides across there like you're mopping or sweeping the floor. I don't know what the glide is like, but it's unbelievably easy. And you can take it all the way to the very end where the little pedals are, where the fan blade is actually attached to the fan motor, and it cleans that whole thing. Now, I should put a warning right there. You're about to see the world's dirtiest fan that had not been cleaned in at least 2 years. Are you prepared for this? Let's go. This is the footage of before. We're going to take a little picture of the before. We're going to come back to it in just a second. And now here is me using it. And I was just testing a few little things out. so that we could find the absolute best method for using this. And when you go backwards, stuff starts flying out. As long as I was going the right direction, nothing ever fell out. The minute I started going the wrong way, it started pushing out all the lint. And oh my, was there a lot of lint. That's the second reason we must go in the right direction. The first one is the little gasket comes out. And the second is drops of lint come down out of your fan like spiders jumping on you. And here's what my desk looked like afterwards. Considering that I purposefully went the wrong way, there really is not that much dust on my desk. There's a little bit on the floor. Mainly, it was just those huge drops of lint and almost no dust, which is shocking. So back up to the fan. This is very easy. What I did was just push each blade around, very easy. And now I'm going to talk to you about the con while I show you me cleaning all these blades deliciously. I know you're just loving all that. My arms were like noodles by the time I got done. In fact, why do you think my hair is like this? Do you think I choose to wear my hair like this? No, it's because my hands, my arms still hurt. They hurt too much, so I can't even fix my hair because they're just noodly. I had this dirty old disgusting fan cleaned in under 4 minutes, and considering how dirty it was, that's pretty insane. And considering that I had never even used this thing before, and considering that I had done it wrong a couple times on purpose, as I said, but nonetheless, doing it wrong counts. I had the whole thing done in under 4 minutes. So 4 minutes of lifting weights means I'm going to be buff next week. What I did notice is that it left a little tiny bit at the edges. Can you see that? So what I did is I went in with this little gadget. You can see that I picked some up right through there. And I got right around the edges and I took it just all the way around the edge, front, sides, and all the way to the back. And this is what ended up making my arms the most tired because I had to hold this up in one hand to steady the fan blades and then use this one to wipe the edges. I think going forward, if your fans are not as disgusting as mine are, as the rest of my fans in my house are normally cleaned, when you go over this on a clean one, you don't even need this. It will make it pretty much spotless when you just go over it with one. Are there a lot of hacks for cleaning your fan blades? Absolutely, and you can use any of them. But I think for me personally, this is the best of the best for cleaning fan blades. I don't think that there's anything better. I've tried all the hacks and none of them work as good as this. Now, I did say that I had little spider droplets coming down, but that's because I went the wrong way. When you're going the right way, it's catching all the dust. It's catching all the dust bunnies. There's not 3 pounds of lint coming down because most fans don't have 3 pounds of lint. But if you do happen to have 3 pounds of lint and you go one direction, it's going to catch it all. And then all you got to do is take this off, fluff it out over the trash, wash it. You could do your whole house and not even have to take this out. You might want to open it and kind of get the lint out over your trash can, but you can do your whole house without having to. It just beats everything. It beats the pillowcase. It beats trying to get the Swiffer up there. It's bar none the best method I've ever used, and I've used them all in my 52 years of life. And this is just magnificent. Now, it does have a little way to hang it. So I like to hang my cleaning supplies in my laundry room so I can get to them easily. You can buy little hooks that come, and you can just hang it on the hook like that. Look, it's a nice big fat hole for the hook. This thing is very spinny. Just telling you all the little details in case those things matter. Pretty much you're going to have the most spotless fans you've ever seen, and all your neighbors are going to be jealous of how clean your fans are. Because I know when your friends and your neighbors come over, they're looking up at your fan blades, judging. You didn't judge me, did you? You agreed not to judge. I'll have this linked for you below, and I really do think you'll love it as much as I do. If you like cleaning gadgets. Now, if you don't like cluttering up your house with cleaning gadgets, then it's about a cleaning gadget. Also, if you like cleaning gadgets, I've got a playlist right there of some other cleaning gadgets I've tested out. This one by far is my favorite, and the only complaint I have is that my noodle arms got tired. Hope that helps if you're thinking about purchasing this. I think this is going to be one of those rare cleaning products that I wholeheartedly say get, and that I don't think you're going to dislike in any way. I just think it's that good. Hope it helps. See you real soon.